In Malaysia, there are many trademarks and landmarks in the country that can leave deep and meaningful memories in individuals who had visited them. There are several bridges over Putrajaya Lake, each built over 650 hectares, and approximately 8 of them. If you are interested to know more about the unique landmarks in Putrajaya, you must not miss out the famous Seri Wawasan Bridge, which is one of the trademarks in Putrajaya, interpreting the uniqueness of the place. This bridge is one of the main bridges in Putrajaya, linking Core Island with the residential areas on the left bank. From a distance, the bridge looks like a sailing ship, and when you're actually on the bridge looking west at the cables, it looks like the wind is blowing into a sail. The points of this bridge is the fact that the bridge is designed to look like a cable-stayed bridge, allowing it to stand out from the other bridges. Stayed with an inverted Y-shaped concrete and steel pylon 315 feet high. Total length is 240 meters. The main span is 541 feet long, is supported by 30 pairs of forward stay cables. The bridge, also called Bridge No.9. The bridge is the connection which provides nice view of two famous mosques in Putrajaya. It is a strong bridge design. Compared to the traditional suspension bridge design, the cables involved with the cable-stayed bridge are capable of handling more pressure. That provides the deck with a greater level of consistency for travel. Accented at night with changeable color lighting. You can stop in the middle of the bridge and enjoy the lighting. Due to the unique building design of the bridge, it is also recommended for you to bring along your camera as well as your friends and your families to record and capture the meaningful moments between you and your loved ones along with the firm and special Seri Wawasan Bridge.